Hey guys, this is Zach with Crypto Building Blocks. This is an awesome article that my partner Ben Mercer wrote, and I just wanted to share some things with you guys to help put your mind at ease right now with Bitcoin. There's a lot of people out there right now that are saying Bitcoin is dead, it's going to be replaced. I saw a poll or a survey recently on Twitter that said something like, the majority of the people were saying Ethereum is actually the new store of value and Bitcoin's dead. Guys, that's not at all true in my opinion. And guys, everything that I say here is only my personal opinion. It's not financial advice. But Bitcoin is still king in my opinion, right? And just because when Bitcoin is starting to have a downtrend does not mean that it's out by any means, guys. This is normal market activity, okay? But on with the short article here. It says BT corrections can be volatile, right? Charting BTC is unlike any market we've ever seen. And guess what, guys? It's a brand new asset class, so that's to be expected. Sometimes corrections can be far greater than expected. Always be patient with trading, and bear in mind that last summer, we experienced a triangle correction that had many of us a little nervous. Some of us a lot nervous. And people that were in the know, they weren't really nervous at all. And so, but this is what that chart looked like last summer. Okay, we had a really, really, really nice run up. Something that looks very, very similar to what we're going through right now. We had this triangle correction and it broke down. Okay, guys, it did the same thing here recently. But guys, guess what? Zoom out a little bit here, and that was that dip that I showed you, and then look what the run up we had after that, right? Absolutely nuts. Okay, but guys, check this out. First, I wanted to show you this right here. Okay, if you go to these type charts, guys, are very, very valuable. You can get them from TradingView.com. And but if you go to CoinMarketCap, this is over the last month what Bitcoin looks like, right? I mean, it hit a high right here, okay? About 19.7, 19.8, just short of $20,000, and it seems to be about sideways since then, right? Sitting at about 14,000, guys. This is called a consolidation, but this is not the best chart to really see what's going on here in CoinMarketCap. If you go right here, this is something that this young lady put out. Sorry, I'm trying to see her name. Well, anyway, I guess it's a fun trader Vera. But anyway, this is what we had. The run up right here, up to about 20,000. That big crash, right, that happened. All of us probably remember that. And then since then we've been consolidating, right? And this right here is a triangle formation that we hit a low right here, okay? And we've got some bounces that should be expected. The next bounce really should hit around the $16,000 mark, somewhere around there. And then we should probably break out. This is using a Fibonacci scale, and we're probably going to get real close to the all-time high somewhere in this area right here. Okay. But yeah, this is CoinMarketCap. Another thing I want to take a look at, guys, right here is people. Like I said, people have been saying Bitcoin's dead, right? It's getting to get Ethereum's the new store of value, guys. Ethereum's at an all-time high, so of course people are saying that. And guess what, guys? When the sentiment against Bitcoin starts to go down, that's probably a really good sign that it's time to buy it up, guys. You do not want to be doing, FOMOing into Ethereum right now, in my personal opinion. I mean, yeah, if you got into it just last month when it was around $600, something like that. I think it was maybe close to $5 or even $450, something like that, at the beginning of December 2017. It's now at close to $14,000. The last time I checked here, just an hour ago or so. And so, but anyways, guys, I want you to take a look at this, okay? And this is the last 3 months. If we click at the last 1 month here, excuse me, that's 1 year, I'm sorry. If we look at the last 1 month right here, you can see Bitcoin dominance hit a low, but it's pretty much leveled off right now, right? And it could go lower, but to me it looks like it's going to be leveling off right here. And altcoins have had a really massive run here as of late. The others, which is everything below the top 10 list, hit about close to 25%. Right now, they're currently sitting at, let's see here, right around 24.7, 24.23, 24.15. It's hard to get my cursor there, but somewhere around there, 24, a little over 24%. But the BTC dominance is really leveling out right here, guys. And guess what, guys? You know, we've seen this in the past, and typically what happens is you have cycles, just like, you know, and everything else in markets. And you can see not too long ago, BTC dominance, I think, hit a high right here at 65%, 66.5% pretty much. And it's been going down ever since then, but this isn't the first time we've seen this, guys. If we go back right here, we almost had the flippening, right? Ethereum almost hit the market cap of Bitcoin, right? And then, but we see a huge divergence since then. Now, as of late, BTC dominance has taken a sharp downturn. It could go lower, absolutely, but as I showed you guys right here, and if I go to the 7-day, I mean, it's pretty much flat, right? And it may even be curving up. It could go down, you know, more, but I think it's pretty much leveled out, and it's probably going to start heading back up soon. As soon as the Bitcoin price starts to move, then what we're going to see is, if this actually plays out, which this is of course no guarantee that this is going to happen, but if this plays out, I think that pretty soon we're going to hit the 16, I don't know about 16.7, but at least the $16,000 mark. And then we could go up to, you know, if we go another high fib level higher, you know, 19.5, right? And then who knows, from there it could go higher, or it could correct back down again. But I guarantee you one thing, as Bitcoin increases in value, the BTC dominance is going to shoot up, and your altcoin positions, most of them, not all of them of course, but if you're right now sitting at 80, 90, a lot of people are almost, you know, pretty much 100% in altcoins right now. And guys, in my opinion, I don't think that's a very smart move. I think that this jump up could happen, you know, fairly soon. It might take another month, who knows. But sometime, I think in the next few weeks, we're going to see Bitcoin jump up to at least 16,000 sometime probably in the next couple of weeks or less, really. And so keep an eye on that. My advice is keep about, you know, anywhere from, right now I'm only about 20% in Bitcoin, because I think I've still got some time. I want to take advantage of this, you know, altcoin bull run that we've got going on right now. But as time goes on, every day or so, I'm gonna you know, slowly reduce my exposure to these altcoins, and then be, you know, accumulating Bitcoin and also Litecoin right now. I definitely wouldn't be buying Ethereum right now, just because, guess what, it's at an all-time high. Now, could that keep going up? Absolutely, guys. But, you know, if you want to just play it safe, you want to preserve your winnings, your profits, start taking some of the profits from your altcoins. You know, if you want to keep your original investment in there, I think that's great, even maybe a little bit more. But take your profits, or at least some of them, out and put them into Bitcoin. That way your position positioned properly to profit a lot more whenever Bitcoin goes up. And then you can, guess what, when that happens, you're going to be able to buy your favorite altcoins back at a 10, 20, 30, some of them 40, up to 50% discount, just depending on what coin it is, whenever this move happens, right? Especially if it happens quickly, which oftentimes with Bitcoin it does, especially here recently, when it makes these moves up. You want to be able to buy your favorite coins back at a deep discount, right? And so that's how you're going to maximize your profits. And I'm going to have a video that I made that I'll post later on exactly how you can play that, guys. But for now, this is Zach with Crypto Building Blocks signing off. Hope you guys have an awesome